Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you an update of my junk journal style bullet journal. So I did have a different cover in my last video, but that pressed flower at the front was actually annoying me and it just did not work. So in junk journal style, which is just absolutely wonderful, and that's why I love it in this way, because you can take that and make something else, use that flower somewhere else and recreate the cover. And this is what I did. So I actually made a collage out of the front cover to cover all that yucky stuff when I pulled the flower out, and this is my collage, right? And I also have a plastic cover that comes with it. It's a Midori A6 plastic cover, which I have a couple of them, and I use them for my planners like these. And so that's how I've been protecting them. But every time when I'm done with that month or that couple of months, I will remove it and then just use it for my new journal, and they go in my handbag, and that's really why I love the A6 size. So I just wanted to show you a couple of things that may be of interest to you. So the cover, obviously, and I just wanted to show you I added this. I actually doodled that on tracing paper, and I actually love how that came out. And because I had a blank page there, and you know, I can't see a blank page, have to fill it in. The other thing I wanted to add was a calendar for January. So what I did was I got this card and did a tip-in. So I actually put washi tape here and here and did a mini calendar behind. Now that's why I love junk journaling, because you can, as an afterthought, you think, oh, actually I need this. You can actually add it to your journal. Whereas I think if you have like a normal planner, and you are constantly, doing your pages, like one page and another, and it's really hard to kind of add it later, you know, some element or something that you may need. So that's one thing. And the other thing I needed was an index, which I actually didn't. So I decided to add one at the back. So I added this card, which I may do something at the front of it, but I added an index here at the back rather than the front, and I started numbering my pages. I also wanted to add some photo of my thumbnails for my channel, just as a record, and a couple of thoughts, I guess, as I'm using it more as a just to jog my memory, and that's what I decided to do. And I printed out some more photos. And here I wanted to do a tracker for my habits. So I just drew them and used my highlighters to highlight, to give different colors, and a few things that I needed to buy. And these are the stickers that came from my friend. So these are the few things that I have added. And the last one I wanted to add was so I wanted to drag my devotional, which is a weekly devotional. So I just drew out the boxes and just added the number of weeks. So that's 52 weeks, and I can just tick the boxes when I'm done. And as you can see, I have also put some markers here. For example, these will actually tell me where my trackers are. And this one here, it just tells me where the future log is going to be. So these are the few things that you can add to your bullet journal, but I just love the junk journal style because of its flexibility. Anyway, this is the video for today. I hope you have had a wonderful New Year's, and see you in the next video.